In this video, you'll learn how to fix the unexpected token error related to Claude Code. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to resolve this issue effectively, ensuring that your environment is properly configured for development. Start by confirming your current Node version. Open your terminal or PowerShell and type node-v. This command will display the version of Node currently installed on your system. If the version is below 20, you need to upgrade immediately to avoid compatibility issues. To perform a clean upgrade, use the command wingit install openjs, Node.js, LTS. This will install the latest long-term support version of Node. After the installation completes, restart PowerShell to ensure the changes take effect. Once PowerShell is back up, check your Node version again by typing node-v to confirm the upgrade was successful. Next, you need to completely remove the Claude CLI, execute the command and pm uninstall -g at Anthropic/Claude Code to uninstall it globally. Following that step, you should clear any cache data associated with npm by entering npm cache clean -force. This will help prevent any leftover files from causing issues during reinstallation. Now, delete the global npm modules folder for Claude. Use the command remove item $n fem $modules Anthropic A-recurse-force-error action silently continue. This will ensure that no remnants of the previous installation remain. After completing these steps, you can proceed with a fresh installation of Claude by running npm install -Claude Code at latest. To verify that Claude is correctly installed, type get command Claude. This command will confirm that the system recognizes the Claude command. If you encounter errors while using Claude in a project, you will need to delete local dependencies, navigate to your project directory and run remove item, node_modules-recurse-force and remove item package-lock.json-force. After that, execute npm install to reinstall your local dependencies. If you see the error syntax error unexpected token export, it indicates that Node is running in common JS mode. To resolve this, you can either add type module to your package.json file or run Node explicitly with the command node-experimental modules your file.js. This adjustment allows your project to utilize ES modules correctly. Should you encounter an error mentioning unexpected token in JSON, this typically means that the API returned HTML, which can often happen due to network interference like firewall or proxy blocks. To test for this, use the command curl https://API if the response starts with a HTML-fic issue that needs to be addressed. If you see errors mentioning unexpected tokens like or question_mark, it suggests that your Node version is too old. The only solution in this case is to upgrade Node. If all else fails, consider performing an extreme reset by uninstalling npm completely with wingget Node.js, LTS as rebooting your system, and then reinstalling Node with wingget install openjs, Node.js, LTS as before reinstalling Claude. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.